Hey guys, thanks for watching my videos. All right, this one is regarding LiveGood, okay? If you're looking at the title below this video, I think you already knew that. But anyway, you probably have heard of LiveGood by now, okay? We have definitely taken the intranet by storm, especially in the supplement category or the healthy category. All right, if you want to walk around and flex and lift some weights or maybe run or just have more energy, this is a dang good opportunity for you to get really above average, really high-end products that focus on your health for probably the most affordable pricing you're going to ever find, especially online. Because our company is based upon wholesale. For 10 bucks a month, you are a member, and that is it. In my case, I was buying Super Reds and Super Greens and some other products. When I joined LiveGood 2 years ago as a member, it saved me about 40 bucks. Okay, I spend 10 bucks a month to save 40. Times that by 12, that's awesome, guys. Because I'm taking the products regardless if I'm a member or not. I like them. And even our normal pricing beats most people. Because all of our overhead, it's minimalized. We have 3 buildings now in Jupiter, Florida that are a distribution center. We don't have a $20 million office where people that run and operate LiveGood have the mansions and the Ferraris and the massive, massive overhead of just luxury items so that the worker bees, us, the affiliates, work our butts off and all of our upline get all the money and the ownership because the shampoo or conditioner or the healthy things that you put in your guts, they're not jacked up 100%. We barely pay $1 or $2 more than any of our products cost. Okay, Dr. Ryan and Lisa, we have Nader Kazan, and Ben Glinsky. There's 4 people that put this company in action a little over 2 years ago. They all specialize in health and nutrition. They practice what they preach. Okay, and right now, if you can find a better product than LiveGood, then go buy it. Okay, you have a 90-day, 3-month guarantee to take our products. And if you don't have a result or feel that you're getting your money's worth, get your money back, even if the container is empty. That's when I became an affiliate. All right, I'm lucky enough to have enough money just to buy LiveGood products normally, like going to Amazon or Walmart.com. But spend 10 bucks to save 40 a month. Come on now. Okay, then I became an affiliate about 2 years ago. I had no idea I'd be on the leaderboard. I have over 400 and something people signed up just directly from me doing a video like this, maybe sending them an email or inviting them to watch a little movie. Business cards, okay, I'm really good at the business card thing. I bought joincory.com for 11 bucks, and then I forward it to a LiveGood capture page. This page right here. Boom. See that handsome guy in blue? This is your page too. You can put your own name. See where it says Cory Draper? You can put whatever name or business right there. And then everyone will watch this little YouTube video. It's short. It's 5 minutes and 55 seconds. It does all the recruiting for you. You don't have to do any video. There are videos that you can use that are neutral, so you can recruit with the videos. Let everyone else talk about LiveGood until you feel comfortable to maybe do your own video like I'm doing now. Get your business cards for sure. In person, please don't talk about LiveGood, because if you talk about 30 minutes about it, well, you're in an MLM category of like Avon and Amway, Tupperware, Herbalife, Nu Skin. Okay, you're not knocking door to door. You're not doing cold sales. Just invite people to this page. In my case, boom, there it is right there on your screen. I just say, go to joincory.com. Let me know what you think. And then I'm on my way. I talk about the weather, the family, motorcycles, cars. I love all that stuff. Okay, but I do not talk in depth about LiveGood other than a video like this. Because if I put this on YouTube or Facebook or social media, some people over the next week, month, and year, and it usually adds up to thousands of people, will see this video that I make, 5-10 minutes. So if you do video, it does give you an advantage. But if you're kind of shy and you don't like your voice and nervous, don't worry about it. Just use the LiveGood videos in your back office after you join. Joincory.com. 20 bucks for the business cards. I paid 11 bucks for joincory.com. For free, GoDaddy bounces to this page here. You're going to watch the video, put your name and email address in, click this little button here, and if you want to join, open up the LiveGood email. And it is so easy. Other than that, guys, there's not a lot left to do because the website here, all right, look, it's already made. It has all our products. Just go to the products tab. And we have tons of products now. All right, click any of the white rectangles. and you can get the information, wholesale, retail, the ingredients, how to use each product. And we even have our competition. And you can see that super greens, it might be $15. Our competition, let's see how much more. All right, check it out. Look at how much detail. Look, these little thumbnails show you exactly what's on the container. You can see it's $18, $24 if you're not a member. Look at all the seals of approval. And look at that. Guys, you can verify. If you want Organifi Green Juicy, it's going to be $70. All right, do you want to pay $100? All right, I like the name though, Skinny Greens. Remember Skinny Jeans? I love that. All right, but look at that, Super Greens. Guys, our cost is probably only $16. We're a wholesale company. If you join for $10 a month, guys, you are buying at wholesale pricing. You can take our products and sell at your gym, on Amazon, at the back of your trunk. You can't do that with our competition. That's why they jack it up $70 to $90 so that the profit, the insane profit, goes to your upline and your ownership. Okay, if you look at the owners of any one of these type of structured businesses, they all have Ferraris and mansions. And it's usually from your hard work. So if you want to join other companies, great. All right, there's billions being made. But I like this company. It's $10 a month. Anyone can afford it. Take your time. Check out all of our ingredients, all of our products. Okay, please go to the FAQ section. There's a lot of questions that you can read here. Click each line and they're answered. Look at how many. Then go to the very bottom. It says affiliate pay plan or pay plan. Please look at how we get paid on the membership side. We don't commission our products. We're a wholesale company. Okay? Go ahead and read the 7 ways we get paid just by telling people, hey, be an affiliate. Earn a commission off being a member. Okay? I think it's easy. This is what I recommend. Go to the pay plan link, go to the bottom and click this YouTube video. Okay? It is so simple, guys. Okay? So go to the pay plan link, go to the FAQ link, go to the products, and that's it. And if you don't mind, I'd love you to simply click that right there, joincory.com. Okay? Let's make this simple, all right? Guys, thanks for your time. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, and Cory at CoryDraper.com. I almost can't say my name. Cory at CoryDraper.com. That's my email, okay? All right, have a good day. Thanks again for your time.